As you can see here, buttons is actually working, right? And then look, when I press start, it keep on showing green. But when I press start, look, see, the start button is defective. Compared to the select, when I press the select, it will turn green. When I press the start, there's nothing, just a blink. I didn't expect this, this performance in a brand new, console. The back is good. Volume up and the volume down. So good. And yeah, I think that's my concern here. That's my first concern. And why is it really what do you call this? Doing its screenshot automatically? I mean, I don't want to, to do a screenshot automatically on my game.